Morning, my dear students. Hope you all will be enjoying your Google classes. Students, here once again we are going to study about some facts in GK. Open page number 20 and 21 in your GK book. We will discuss today tops at table tennis. Before starting the topic, I want to remind you, for avoiding the infection of corona, you need to wear the mask, you need to wash your hands and maintain social distancing. Now here on the screen you can see a table type structure. This is TT table, or you can say it table tennis table. In table tennis, student, also that game is also known as ping pong and whiff waff, is a sport in which 2 or 4 players hit a lightweight ball, also known as the ping pong ball, back and forth across a table using small rackets. The game takes place on a hard table divided by a net, as you can see on the screen. The aim of that game is to make the ball go over the net to the opponent's half, so that the opponent cannot reach or return the ball over the net towards to other opponent's part. So like that we can start that game. You can see here on the screen a table, and you can see there are so many lines on these tables. Now we will discuss about these lines. This center line, this middle line is known as center line, okay, and the length of that table is 274 centimeter, and the width of that table is 152.5 centimeter, and height of that table from the ground is 76 centimeter. Okay, this is the measurement of that table. And during the play, players are not allowed to move the table, and they are also not allowed to touch the table or net during the play. These are the rackets and table tennis bat, you can say it, and these are the bat, and these are the balls. Now let's move to the next slide. In this slide you can see some famous player from the India. You need to identify this player and you need to remember of some. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Can you recognize that player? This is also in your book. You need to identify that player. Yes, if you are thinking Ma Long, Ma Long is a player, is a table tennis player. He is from China, and currently he is Olympic and world champion. And this is the image of a famous player again. Dmitry Otakaro is a Ukrainian born German table tennis player. And third one, the name of that player, Fan Zhendong, is a Chinese professional table tennis player. Currently he is ranked number 1. Okay, now you need to remember some facts also. In our book, student, you need to correct that fact. Our book, there is a fact that the world's longest table tennis rally was between Daniel and Peter in 2014, and it was lasted for 8 hours and 40 minutes and 5 seconds. You need to correct that figure, but because in current the longest table tennis rally is about 11 hours 50 minutes and 36 seconds, and was achieved by Chris and Will Darnell, both from Australia, and they achieved that achievement in 12th of December 2020. So you need to correct that one. Now come on to the some questions. First question here on the screen: in which city was the first table tennis world championship held? Just try to guess your answer. Yes, this is London. Now second question: today's tennis ball are made of celluloid plastic. What were they originally made of? The answer of that question will be rubber. So you need to tick on option number C. So it will be enough for today. We will meet again in next session. Till then, be safe and happy. Bye bye.